Kali Selvi. Today we are going to talk about the topic fascinating journey of cathode ray tubes. Yes, so CRT, the cathode ray tube, is a specialized vacuum tube in which images will be produced where we have an electron beam which strikes a transparent surface. And moreover, in all desktop computer displays make use of CRTs. And it plays a vital role in a computer display which is similar to the picture tube which we use in our television receivers. And what are CRT used for? Cathode ray tube is a glass video display component of an electronic device that we say as usually a television or a computer monitor. EPA encourages repair and reuse as a responsible ways to manage cathode ray tubes. So we can see the history of the CRT. The cathode ray tube span over a century where we can see about a significant technology advancement and applications. Early development, late 19th century, CRT technology began with the discovery of electron by J.J. Thomson in 1897. And later the first cathode ray tube was created by Carl Faraday, which was very primitive version in 1897. So here we can see the picture view of the CRT, that is cathode ray tube, in 2000s and 2010 and its legacy. Yes, we can see that LCD liquid crystal display and plasma technologies LED to a decline in CRT usage. These newer technologies offer thinner, lighter and more energy efficient display, whereas in 2010s it became very obsolete for consumer electronic, which is replaced by flat panel display. And its legacy, it states the development of electronic display, and it remains a significant part of the history of visual technology in recent trends. And here are the components of CRT: electron gun, deflection system, phosphorescent screen, and these are the features of the components of CRT. We can have a glance. Electron gun, which is located at the back of the tube, here we can see, which is located at the back of the tube, and the heat to emit electron and the control grid to modulate the flow of electrons. And here we have the deflection system, where the deflection plates that steer the electron beam horizontally and vertically across the screen. And phosphorescent screen, the inside surface of the front of tube is coated with phosphorus compound that emit light which is struck by electrons. How it works: electron emission, beam formation and beam deflection. These are the three parts how the CRT works with the help of them. Let us see. The cathode is heated, causing it to emit electrons. This process is called thermonic emission. And the beam formation, the emitted electrons are accelerated and will be focused on the narrow beam by a positive electrode and a control grids. And here we can see the beam deflection. The beam is directed towards the screen, so using the deflection system, though if any variation is there in the electronic or electric or magnetic field, the beam can be steered to specify the location which is present on the screen. So we can see the image creation and scanning and the persistence of the version. When the electron beam strikes the coating and it excites the phosphor atom, causing them to emit the light, and different phosphor produce different colors. The colors may be usually red, green, blue for colors of CRTs. Scanning. The beam scans the screen in a systematic pattern, so it is from left to right or top to bottom. It creates a series of horizontal lines and it is called as raster scanning. And persistence of vision, the phosphorus continues to emit light for a short period after being struck, which allows us as we the human to perceive a continuous image rather than discrete lines. So the golden age of CRT will be stated as from late 1940s to the early of 1990s, where the technology dominated television and monitor market. And so we had a widespread of adoption, shaping the landscape of visual media and technologies. So CRT's pivotal role in gaming. Yes, of course, we all love to play games, right? The next payment cash redemption range at Resonance or others on the market. The customer will enjoy clear use of interface, quick transition, and reliability. So the reliable components which make it ideal for gaming venues and other buy sites. Decline of CRT. Yes, from 2006, sales fell steeply to less than 10 million and continues to decline about 0 pieces in 2011. Yes, and 15 million pieces in 1996 to 20 million pieces at 2009 and declined gradually after 2009. So there we can see there was a gradual decline over CRT after 2009. Legacy of CRT. Yes. So here we can see CRT left an indelible mark on technology. They paved the way for flat screen display and influenced the design of modern visual devices. The principle behind CRT is to resonate in current technologies. So environment impact. What are the impacts we faced? The production and disposal of CRT pose significant, and whereas they contain hazardous materials like LED, proper recycling and disposal are very crucial. Awareness of these issues is very important to play in recent technological practices by users. CRT in art. Cathode ray tube have been used in art since 1960s and are a key part of media-based art. Artists have used CRT to transform the idea of television image from a literal representation to an expression of the artist. Future display. Yes, we'll see the scope of future display technology. While CRT have faded, their influence persists in the development of future display technologies. Innovations like micro LED, quantum dots are emerging and promising ever more vivid, imaginary, and immersive experiences. The CRT journey. From their humble beginning to their decline, the journey of CRT is a testament to human beings, right? As we move forward, we honor these legacies. Finally, thank you.